Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up to Adobe Acrobat. If you want to create, edit, or sign PDF files, Adobe Acrobat is one of the best tools out there. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to sign up step by step. So open your browser and go to the official Adobe website. Now in the search bar, type Adobe Acrobat. So I just type in acrobat.adobe.com, and once you're here, tap on Start Trial or Sign In, depending on what you prefer. So you'll see plans available. The most common option is Acrobat Pro. So it includes editing PDFs, converting files, or e signing documents. Choose the plan that fits your needs, then click on Continue. So now you'll need to sign up. So enter your email address right here and tap on Continue. Or you can sign up faster using Google or Facebook or Apple if it's available. Then choose your Google account, tap on Continue. Now, after filling in your details, it will then create your account. Now, once you're done, your account is ready. So you can now download Acrobat on your computer or use it directly in your browser. So just sign in with your new Adobe account and start working with PDFs. And that's basically it. You've successfully signed up for Adobe Acrobat. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.